Hey, good evening, how are you? I want to talk to a few persons who care to listen, and I want to talk to the newborn who are just coming into the crypto space, because I discovered that what we did in 2014, 2015, 2016 that didn't help us, that only help us to miss out of the crypto boom, is what most newborn are busy doing. Hey, stop wasting your time with airdrop. Mostly Telegram airdrop is waste of time. We did it in 2016, we did that in 2015, we did that even in 2017. All of the coins we got from airdrop are all waste. They are with us, thousands of them. Instead of spending our good time, they literally in our hands to buy coins that will be listed in an exchange. We're busy running after Telegram airdrop. Hey, newborn babe, there is no free coin anywhere in the world. Use your time, use your money, they're literally in your hands. Buy into coins that are listed in genuine exchange platform. The 10 naira, the 20 naira, the 100 naira, the 500 naira, the $10, the $40, the $50, the $100 you are using to buy a coin now will better your life. Look at October, November last year. Those who take $100 with me and bought Dogecoin are all holding $24,000, $25,000. Imagine if they were running after Telegram airdrop. There is no free coin anywhere in the world. And those of you who believe in Ponzi, Ponzi does not pay. The biggest thing you will gain from Ponzi is heartbreak. You won't make money from Ponzi. Go away from it. Those things are not real. And those of you who are busy running after free Bitcoin, hey, Bitcoin, the scarcity of Bitcoin is 99.999%. The companies mining it cannot drop a fraction of it. They can't drop a Satoshi for you to get as free because they need it to pay their bills. So if one tell you click here and get free Bitcoin, it's a scam, it's not real. If one tell you put 100 naira here, the 100 naira will double your Bitcoin, where will you see the free Bitcoin? Those things are not real. We did them in 2014, we did them in 2015, we did that in 2016, they all failed. Listen to this. Those of you who believe in salary, these are things I want you to do for yourself. The boss you are working for is busy buying into crypto coins, and you, the worker, you are busy saving money in your bank. The naira you save in your bank is waste because the bank are into crowdfunding. Are you aware? The bank, the global bank, are into crowdfunding. The money you send to them are using the same money to run contracts to make more money for themselves. They say, hey, you gave us money to hold. We will charge you by the end of the month. The 10 naira in the bank, they will charge from it. The 100 naira in the bank, they will charge from it. The 10,000 naira in the bank, they will charge from, because you are giving them loader to hold. So they say, we will charge you for holding your money, for keeping your money for you. What do you need to do? I run 6 bank accounts. I keep saying, if you tumble them upside down, I don't have up to 100,000. I don't have. What I have, I bang in crypto. I use the 10 naira in my account to buy into crypto, leave it in crypto, grow, because it's an appreciating value. I'll definitely make profit from it. Don't leave your money in the bank. Take out your money in the bank, use it and buy coins, and watch your coins grow for you. Listen to this. The boss you work for are busy buying into coins. I am in the city of Port Harcourt now. We just finished setting up a payment plan system for a corporation. Guess what they are doing? They want to start paying their workers in cryptocurrency. Listen, they want to start paying their workers in crypto coins. Here in Port Harcourt, I'm in Port Harcourt now. We just finished doing that. I've been in the meeting with them. We finished setting up that. They want to start paying their workers in crypto coins. The boss you work for is busy buying into cryptocurrency, and you are busy saving your money, your naira, in the bank. Bills will eat up the naira in your bank. But the crypto you buy today will better your life tomorrow. I'm going to drop this video here. My name is Ajesa Michael. I am a lover of crypto coins. I love crypto coins. I'm buying into crypto coins. I'll keep buying into crypto coins. I am building my empire in crypto coins. I have no business with employment. I have no business with the government of my country because they can't pay my bills. They can't pay my bills. I want to build my empire in crypto. I'm already building my empire in crypto. I want you to join me. The little you have, you don't need millions. The little you have, we have coin selling for 10 naira. We have coin selling for 100 naira. We have coin selling for 1,000, 20,000, 100,000, 1 million naira and above. The little you have, cut your coat according to the size you want to wear. I'm going to drop the video here. Today is Sunday. I love you guys. Take it up, lovers of crypto. Remember, we are to hit the top together. That is my dream for you. See you at the top. Bye.